Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jennifer here. Have you ever just wanted to make your toddler a super cute custom sweatshirt, but you don't have a fancy Cricut machine? No worries. With just few easy find iron pouches and an iron, you can create a fun, personalized piece of clothing in minutes. Let me show you how. First, you want to just head to Michael's or any craft store and grab these iron-on patches. They're super affordable and come in tons of cute design, perfect for toddlers. I am picking out this butterfly patches for my daughter. She's really into butterflies. And then I am looking to see what I can pick up for my son. This one looked really cool. I also wanted to show you guys the instructions that is on the back. It's very simple and easy to follow. Start by laying your shirt flat. Preheat your iron, no steam. You'll also want to give the fabric a quick press to get rid of any wrinkles. So a little backstory, our daughter was a little bit upset because something wasn't going her way, so we needed a little bit of distraction, so I showed her the patches and told her she can arrange them. However she likes on her sweatshirt. Honestly, it was a fun bonding moment, and trust me, it was a needed distraction at the right time. Once you're really happy with the design, cover each path with a thin cloth or parchment paper, then press down your hot iron for about 10 to 15 seconds. You want to make sure you're holding it very still and not moving it around, because you want to make sure that the glue on the back of the iron patch actually sticks to the sweatshirt. So we kind of repeated the steps with our son. I kind of showed him the patches, how it works. It kind of is fun because when you have a 5-year-old, they ask a little more questions, wanting to know how they actually stick, what happens, and so on and so forth. So it was awesome to be able to bond with him at that moment. And there you have it, a personalized one-of-a-kind sweatshirt for your toddler, made with love, creativity, and no Cricut machine required. The best part? You and your little one created this together, making memories along the way. I hope this video helped you guys out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!
to see